BOOZHOO ANIIN. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabes. I'm writing this song on the fly. I don't know where or why. Time for a chorus change. I didn't think about what I was gonna sing this morning. Now I gotta rhyme with the word this morning. La 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 la. Wait a hey ya. La 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 la. BOOZHOO ANIIN. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and on the Gatoji gun, Natasha. Oh, that was really pretty. Oh, thank you. And today, our Ojibwe phrase of the day. AANIIN, EZHIWEBAK, AGWAJIING. AANIIN, EZHIWEBAK, AGWAJIING. How is it outside? How is it outside, sweetie? Oh, I don't know. It's pretty dark still. Yeah, we film these really early in the morning. Does it look like it's gonna snow? Nah. Gawin sukipon Z. That's right. It's not snowing. Yeah, okay. So there you have it. AANIIN, EZHIWEBAK, AGWAJIING. How is it outside? All right. You want to try that song one more time? We'll sing about how is it outside. Yeah, okay. All right. I'm trying to write a song for the show today, but I can't rhyme no how and no way. BOOZHOO Anishinaabe Niwikakike Panginungu Natasha Indigenous cause Pamichiga Magnin Tunjepa Wait a hey ya, wait a hey ya ho. Do 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 do. I don't know. I can't really think of what would be a good song.